How to log in into your Co-op bank account. Hello guys, now Co-op basically means cooperative banking account. So let us begin. First, open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine. I'm using Google Chrome. Simply search for Co-op bank login. And after you search for it, you will see this link right here for the cooperative bank. Just open this link up and you'll get redirected to this page right here. Now, bank.co-operativebank.co.uk is the official URL for this, so make sure that you are on the correct site. Now, after you're in the website, simply scroll down and you will see login to online banking. Now here, type in your username, whatever your username might be, and you can even toggle this button on that says remember my username, which will make it easier for you to log in later on. After you do that, if you have forgotten your login details, you can tap on here and then simply recover your details. After you do that, tap on next, and after you tap on next, you'll need to type in your password and you'll get logged in into your account. And it's that simple, guys. And that is all for this video too. I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.